Guys, I'm going to show you how to make some cheesesteak sandwiches in your Ninja Foodi XL grill coming up. This is Cooking with CJ, the show about cooking, drinking, barbecue, and all the other stuff that goes along with it. I am not a chef, I am not a bartender, I am not a pit master, but I play all three on TV. I'm going to show you how to make quick, easy, tasty recipes and have a little bit of fun along the way. So let's get this party started. What's up, everybody? Welcome to Cooking with CJ. I'm CJ, and if you're a returning subscriber, part of CJ's crew, you know I love you. If you're new to the channel, hit that red subscribe button down there, that bell next to it, so you get alerts on all what we're doing here. All right, so what are we doing here today, guys? We are gonna make some cheesesteak sandwiches. I do not dare call them Philly cheesesteak sandwiches because there's so much controversy so much controversy. There's controversy because there's so much back and forth over controversy. There's so much controversy over whether you put onions in your cheesesteak or you put peppers in your cheesesteak, with whiz, without whiz, all that good stuff. All right, so we're gonna put a little bit of onions in there. We're gonna put a little bit of garlic, saute it up with some butter. Now, I know all the people out there, the keyboard commandos, will say you can't use butter or olive oil or whatever in your Ninja Foodi Grill. Easy people. You can when you're using the air fryer setting, okay? And that's what we're gonna use today. If you're gonna use that high heat grill setting, then you use the high heat oil, the canola, avocado, whatever, okay? So everybody just relax. It's gonna be a good one, all right? Now, I got this stuff at the grocery store. It's shredded sirloin steak, sliced super thin. If you guys don't have access to that, get yourself whatever steak you like in your cheesesteak sandwiches. Freeze it a little bit, not block frozen, but just get it nice and cold and tight in there, and then use a knife, cut it up as thin as you can, cook it the same way, okay? Real easy, simple, don't overthink it, all right? All right, so there's nothing left to do but get into it. Come on over to the Ninja Foodi Grill Station, otherwise known as my kitchen island. Let's get started. All right, y'all, let's get started. We are going to air crisp. We're gonna leave it at 390, keep the default to 20 minutes, hit start, let it preheat. This will not take the 20 minutes, but it's already there, use it. We're gonna saute the onions and the garlic for about 2-3 minutes under the heat with some butter. Then we'll add in the steak. We'll add our seasonings. We got some Caribeque beef, big and bold rub. Got some cracked black pepper. Once we get the meat cooked through, we're actually gonna pull it out, clean out the dish in there, the pan, and then we'll add the meat to these rolls, right? Add the cheese in there, put it back in the air fryer, let it melt the cheese on top with the air fryer heat, and we'll be ready to get into these bad boys. Okay, the preheating's done. We're gonna add about 3 tablespoons of butter in there. Gonna add our onions, these sauteed up first. We'll add the garlic in a couple minutes. We don't wanna burn the garlic, so this is what we're gonna do right now. Get this melted and start sauteing. Couple minutes. Okay, we got 3 minutes in. We're gonna add about a tablespoon of garlic. Get that mixed around in there. Give this another couple minutes, and then we'll add our steak in. All right, guys. The onion and the garlic's nice and sauteed, fragrant as can be in here. It smells so good. All right, we're gonna throw our steak. If you guys are old enough to remember, there used to be this stuff called steakum. It sounds as appetizing as it probably was. So that is always an option too. But you can see this is, thinly sliced beef. So we're gonna get that in there, get it mixed around, combine it with those onions and garlic and that butter. It's gonna be some goodness right there. And this dish can be made in the regular Foodi Grill, so don't feel like you have to have this for the XL. I'm gonna add a little Caribeque beef and bold in there, some good flavor. Get that cracked black pepper in. This meat should only take about 5 minutes and we should be good to go. Mix it all up in there, get those flavors together. 5 minutes, we'll check it out. Okay, 5 minutes is up. The steak is cooked. We're gonna put it in a bowl. We're gonna clean out this pan, wash it out. Look at all that goodness right there. Oh, flavorful right there. Get the rest of this out of here. We'll wash this pan and get these sandwiches made. Got the pan cleaned out. We're gonna make 3 sandwiches, 3 cheesesteaks, if you will. We got the provolone because I don't like cheese whiz. I'm just gonna fill these up. I'm gonna add cheese to the top of them too because I like my cheesesteaks cheesy. Oh, kill me. All right, so what it's gonna do is obviously melt the cheese, toast up the bread, and we'll be eating good for sure. All right, so probably another 2-3 minutes. We'll check on it, make sure we're not burning, and we're good to go. We'll shut it down. All right, guys, we let it go another about 6 minutes. Got it nice and brown and lovely on top, looking good. Let's get these out on a plate and enjoy these monster cheesesteak sandwiches done in the Ninja Foodi XL grill. I'm so excited. We'll cut one of these bad boys in half. Get that cross section. Look at all that cheesy goodness right there. You see that steam coming off it. Oh, too good, too good. All right, let's try this. All right, y'all, look at that. It's looking good right there. All right, let's take a bite. Guys, that is way too good. Just do everything I just did and your meal is gonna be wonderful. All right, give it a try, comment down below, and thank me later. All right, guys, if you want to get yourself one of these Ninja Foodi Grill XL versions or any Ninja product, hit the links down below. Cutting boards, knives, all that good stuff. Links are all down below. If you want to be part of CJ's crew for real, click that join button under there. Get some couple tiers in there. You can get yourself some merch, get yourself on the scroll at the end of the video. I'd like to acknowledge all of CJ's crew that supports me. Thank you all so much. All right, that's it for this one. I hope you have a wonderful week, everybody. Thanks for stopping by. Thanks for cooking with CJ. Take care.